To add a dynamic link between two widgets which are created using two different data sets, we will hover over a widget and click on the ellipsis and we'll select the option dynamic link. So now I will select the layer in which I want to create this dynamic link. So I'll select layer 1, and in layer 1 I will select the tab, second tab. So I have got the table widget 1, and I'm gonna link this table with the product line. Now save and exit, and if I'll click on this classic cars, my table should has been updated to the classic cars, and if clicked on vintage car, it would have been updated with vintage cars. Now same way, if I want to, if I'll select on Norway, nothing will happen. So we will create another dynamic link, and here we will select country, and in the layer we will select layer 1, and in tabs we will select the second tab, select the chart and link it with the country. So now if I'll click on the USA, my chart will also update it with USA. If clicked on Germany, this will show the Germany data. So this way you can create the dynamic link between the two widgets which are built using different data sets. If it is created using the same data set, then you do not need to create a dynamic linking. It will be automatically linked with each other.